Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is just an announcement. We have a lot of you that are completing assignments quickly as we go through. Some of you are already done with the lab. The lab that we finished up that's due today. Some of you had completed that yesterday, and I realize that you might be looking for other things to do, other opportunities to do in chemistry. So I want to remind you that there is two bonus assignments that you can do. So you could do them today, you could do them tomorrow. They're actually not due till a week from Monday. They're not due till April 20th. But if you're ahead and you're looking for something to do and you want to pick up some extra points, we have 821 and 822 to do. 821 is one that some of you actually started before spring break. I've had a couple of you email me like, hey, when can we submit this? That's the one where the video link did not initially work for the video, and I told you to go ahead and find your own motivational video. And if you did and you're ready to submit that, you can do that. If you didn't find your own motivational video, I highly encourage you to find the video that is now on there. It's about what's happening now in the world and ways to think about what's happening in the world. It's an extremely motivating video on how to deal with these dramatic times that we are now facing. I encourage you to watch that. On the back of 821 is some great things to think about in terms of your future in college. The second bonus opportunity is our traditional unit bonus video 8-22. This is a great one to watch. If you're just hanging around tonight and you're like, I'm tired of watching Netflix, this one has some phenomenal chem demonstrations on various types of chemical reactions. So, two bonus opportunities. You could submit those anytime you want. Again, I was hoping that by the end of next week, Monday the 20th or so, that you would start submitting those. But again, those are open-ended due dates, as always, on bonus stuff. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you soon.